how to create a Dropbox account. So let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your Dropbox application on your device. Soon after that, you will be able to see this interface. For sign in, you can either sign in with Google or Apple, but we are looking for sign up, so simply tap on sign up option. And in this section, you need to enter your email address, password, first name and last name. If you want to sign up with Google, then you can also go for sign up with Google option. And after choosing for signing up with Google, you need to select your Gmail account with which you want to create your Dropbox account. And after that, you need to read this description if you want. And you have to scroll to the button and go for allow option. It's all about allowing access to the app. After that, here you have to go for agree and sign up option. It will take a few seconds to sign in, so you have to wait. And after a few seconds of loading, you can see my account has been created. So by following this simple step, you can create Dropbox account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.